A classic. Apple pie. You like apple pie? I like apple pie. Let's get it. Can't have a pie without butter now, can you? I'm gonna be honest. I didn't know it was gonna look like that much butter. But anyway. So we need some water. And then a touch of vinegar. Okay, maybe 2 touches. Now we're gonna dice up our butter. I don't want to see any comments about how much flour I spilled. I got butterfingers, okay? So add in the butter slowly until it starts to resemble a crumble. Now for the ice water and vinegar, we're just gonna pour it in slowly just until the dough comes together. Make sure not to overmix, otherwise you're gonna have a tough pie. We'll bring it together lightly, just to make a cute little ball of dough, and then let it rest in the fridge overnight. After all the apples are washed and peeled, we're gonna slice everything up. A bit of sugar to the apples, some flour, and I'm gonna grind some cinnamon and allspice. And now for a bit of lemon juice. Make sure there's no seeds. Just so you know, I washed my hands. We're gonna let this sit for about 25 minutes, but 5 minutes prior, we're gonna start rolling out our dough. Make sure to always poke a few holes in your pie dough before you fill it. Now that we put the top on, we're just gonna poke a few holes on the top just to let the steam out. It's probably overkill to do this with such a big knife, but I'm gonna do it anyway. See, I could use the fork to whip the egg, but I'm Asian, so I'm gonna use chopsticks. So just a bit of egg wash on top of the pie, and then we're gonna bake this sucker. Now all that's left is to eat the pie. You might want to turn up the volume a little bit if you like ASMR. Nothing like a little ice cream to go with your apple pie. Okay, maybe a lot of ice cream. Now I'm gonna go eat it.